All right, so Gott's Roadside has been around since 1999. It was started by brothers Joel and Duncan Gott. They took over this old roadside restaurant that was built, I believe, back in '49, and it became an instant classic here in the Valley. Several different Bay Area locations. We are headed down to SoCal. It's been a phenomenal company to work for, and it's such a special place. So some of the issues that we had with a real lawn back here was it was really weather dependent on how many people we could have out here. It would get muddy during the winter season and whenever it rains. The other major issue that we had is it's difficult to keep a lawn like this lush and green with the heavy amount of foot traffic that we see. We'll sometimes serve thousands of people a day during the summer. So being able to have something that's going to be more or less weather dependent and maintain a good look throughout the seasons and the traffic is going to be huge for us. Before, I think, the lawn was getting pretty trampled down, so we kind of just got used to how that was looking, and after just seeing everything such like crisp, clean edges on all the areas, because we have a lot of cement pads that the lawn wraps around, everything looks really sharp. Everything's really consistent and all, you've got the same look across. We don't have patchy areas anymore, and just overall the maintenance or the decrease in maintenance required is pretty huge for us as far as staffing costs as well. Big benefits are that this area can now be utilized year-round. We're not weather dependent for our lawn any longer. We are able to section off areas of it more easily with modular fencing for private corporate events or family events, wedding welcomes, things like that. So I anticipate we're going to be able to utilize this area for a lot more private events going forward, which is going to be really big for our business.